Let's take you now to the stock market, where equities markets closed on a negative note as the Nigeria Exchange All-Share Index depreciated by 0.01% to close at 47,102.64 basis points, as against 0.09% appreciation recorded previously. Its year-to-date return currently stands at 10.27%. Market breadth closed positive as Northern Nigeria Flour Mills (NNFM) led 32 gainers as against 17 losers, topped by Computer Warehouse Group at the end of the day session, and improved performance when compared with previous outlook. Market turnover closed positive as volume moved up by 12.41% as against 16.07% uptick recorded in the previous session. Guarantee, United Capital PLC, and Fidelity Bank were the most active to boost market turnover. Guarantee and MTN Nigeria topped market value list. Seplat led the list of active stocks that recorded impressive volume spike at the end of the day session. Now let's take you through what the market performance was like. The stock market trading summary. The all-share index closed at 47,102.64 points. That's a loss of 0.01% with 4,251 deals, and the volume traded at 357.76 million. That's a gain of 12.41%, and the value at 6.48 billion, a loss of 21.58%. And the market capitalization closing at 25.39 trillion, a loss of 0.1%. And now let's take you through the top gainers for the day. That the RTB Briscoe closing at 0.5. That's 0 naira 55 kobo, a change of 10%. And the Northern Nigeria Flour Mills closed at 9 naira 90 kobo, a gain of 10%. Oni Flour closed at 3 naira 66 kobo, that's a gain of 9.91%, while Square closed at 2 naira 14 kobo with a gain of 9.474%. Academy had a gain of 9.4% to close at 1 naira 63 kobo. And now to the top decliners of the day, looking at the companies. Now CWG closed at 1 naira 11 kobo, that's a loss of 9.76%. Champion lost 8.89% to close at 2 naira 5 kobo, while Lasako lost 7.08% to close at 1 naira 5 kobo. Moving on now to Seplat, which lost 5.88% to close at 800 naira. Courtville lost 5.56% to close at 0.03%. All right, now we'll bring in analyst that Ambrose to give us a detailed analysis of what happened in the market yesterday. Ambrose, he is the CRO, that's the Chief Research Officer at Invest Data PLC. Thank you so much for joining us, Ambrose.
Yeah, thanks for having me again.
Now let's look at the market performance yesterday. The stock market has lost 2 days in the week now, out of the 4 trading days. Now looking at this trend and the current volatility, how would you assess the performance of the market?
Yeah, I would tell you that in the last 1 week or 4 trading days, market has been a bit dull or lukewarm in nature due to what the low vibrance was seeing. But the good news is that in any volatile market as going in this trend, there is opportunity for you to buy low and sell high, and also give opportunity for those that are the sell side or the buy side to take their action as at when due. But the market at this point in time is waiting for a trigger. I said yesterday that trigger will come in 2 ways: positive numbers, which was corporate action. And don't forget that the GDP figure was released yesterday, and yes, we saw that the market, the economy maintained that recovery trend, but at a little decline compared to the previous quarter, but still on a positive expansion side. And at the same time, corporate earnings that were seen so far, the unaudited, are also impressive. Now that we're looking forward to the audited accounts of these quoted companies that will come with dividend declaration, that dividend declaration also will give you the kind of momentum market is expecting. So, look at what happened this morning. I spoke up. So, Nigeria Brewery has announced 1 naira 20 kobo as their dividend alongside that, yes, this is the era of no dividend declaration for quoted companies. And I told you earlier that between now and the end of the month, we're expecting those companies that will not release their own account in the month of January to release their account in February. Between now and the end of the month, for me, I want to see more of earnings release as from next week. If it's true, come today, but from next week, stuff like Showcap and many others, Zenith Bank, VTB, Access Bank, UBA, we want to see them before the month of February runs out. That is that as from now to the end of the month, we want to see another momentum. Also, if any positive information come again, that also support the market. Not that the oil price is just oscillating. That makes an uptrend to almost $95, $96 before it pulled back yesterday into oil price. That's also another fundamental push for the market and the economy. For me, the market is just waiting for this figure, and what we call and the market will also look up. What we saw in the last few trading days is just because market is waiting for this trigger. Remember when we were in the month of January, some market galloping because of what anything other period, any market, and also with the high cap also and the lifting of new stock. For me, February has changed gradually this year compared to previous year's February. We are seeing that now we expect more corporate action in the month of February to change the face of February in the history of the market, which February might likely become another positive month for the market. If that happens, then investors also change their plan to factor in February as a positive month when they're planning their trading or their investment.
Well, it's the last trading day, and the volatility in the market continues on Thursday with a 0.01% depreciation as against 0.09% appreciation recorded previously. What has been the direction of the all-share index in the week?
Actually, what happened today is just that the high cap stocks suffered losses, stocks like Staples and MTN. But if you look at the market bet, we have about 32 stocks on the gainer chart and just 17 on the loser chart. Normally, in a good market, that should have closed the market positive. But because these high cap stocks, Staples, as I said earlier, and MTN and Zenith Bank, they recorded loss. That's why the market was down yesterday. Today, I might see the market closing positive because we are starting seeing earnings, corporate action into the market. I mentioned earlier that we saw the level of Nigerian. Others will follow us from today. And if that happens this morning before the end of trading today, I tell you, market might close positive today. But that says that the market will maintain that mixed sentiment I told you at the beginning of the week that we expect that this week to perform or have a missed trade or a missed performance, which we have seen in the last trading sessions. For me, the market is in that direction. For the people, the market is trying to resist breaking down for the 47,000 mark, and which is good. The way the market closed yesterday, the candlestick formation tells you that market is resisting decline, which is good for the market. And if any positive information come at this point, it will trigger another uptrend, depending on the payout or the reward given to shareholders of this company. And dividend is what many investors don't play with. They get dividend because it's like a free money to them for investing in this company. The capital is intact, but dividend come as an interest.
That's good news, isn't it? The market closing, the expectation that the market might close positively today. But how strongly is the earnings season affecting the investor's position? That if you look at how volatile the market could be.
Like I always say that in a volatile market, you don't play with your stop loss and your profit target. And anything will always drive volatility because it comes with this in and out of position. Because once numbers have been announced to the public or to the investing public, they take decision on that number. And if a company performs excellently, market will reward that company. And also, if your numbers are below expectation, market will treat you the way your number can, that means your price will continue to go down. For me, that is why we are seeing volatility in the market. And that means as an investor, with your stop loss, you know the price will enter. Once you can protect your capital. But with that capital, you can't make any money from the capital market. You need to protect that your capital, but that is the key. I will say it anywhere and that. Like they say, cash is king. So if your capital in investment is also king, because if you don't have capital, I'm telling you, you will hear with your ears, you do partake in that, that trade on that benefit of the market going up or down. For me, it's time for investors to apply stop loss in a volatile market as we are experiencing now. Use your stop loss effectively. Don't be carried away by any form of name, either Nestle, Nigerian, Gillette. Let's do another the name of the company or how cool the company is, like First Bank. No, don't marry the name of the company. You are there to make money. Let that be your goal, that I'm here to make money. You are that's why you are investing. You are not marrying stuff like you, they marry woman and woman in the house. No.
Oh, well.
Make money and a good position.
We look forward to the positivity in the market this week, of course, to end the week since today is the last trading day.